Let's see how much snow we got yesterday. Not exactly a lot. You can see like the light dusting on top of the ridge here, which is not really a lot. But it's better than nothing, and there's more coming, so yeah, might be alright. I mean, it's a good view to wake up to, I'll give you that much. I'm gonna have to do some editing. It's like 8 AM in the morning, so nothing is open, let alone even this resort. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna have some breakfast, and then there's a staff sale, which is like a sale for staff people, so that's kind of cool. Although, I mean, I'm still rocking my $30 skis. Actually, I did that, and they're not even there. They're over there now. But there you go. Yeah, I'm sort of still living out of a suitcase for another couple of days. But yeah, cool. I will catch you guys in a little bit. So we've done some editing this morning. We're almost caught up with where we are. And then apparently there's like a staff sale with like 40 to 60% off. I mean, I'm not going to beat my ski boots for $30, but like, you never know, right? Well, no, there won't be ski boots for $30. That's probably a fact. But yeah, we're going to go check it out, see what's going on. Probably meet up with Jack and see what the day entails. It is really nice and sunny today, but with that means the snow is fucking melting, which is not what we want. There's my favourite house on the mountain. Oh, can I get it? Here. Yeah, it's Island House. What's a house called Island? I don't know. It's kind of cool. Let's make loads of money and buy it.
Don't need bibs. No? Don't need bibs. When you go to the toilet and you want to get undressed. Yeah.
I mean, not for $400. This is a spider jacket, to be fair to it.
Well, you get a nice case. But I also don't have $200 to spend on a pair of goggles.
Yes, you do. Yes, you do.
I do, but I don't. They've got no clubs in here either.
Perhaps. Kind of funky.
Where is that? The women's ones come with a. These are the Gore-Tex ones. 89.
Hey, no, that's not bad. These ones look funky. I know they're mitts, but
Cool grippy palm. $65. But they're not Gore-Tex.
yeah, so we sorted out our SIN insurance number. We completed all our onboarding for the ski school, so that's good. So that means I can now get paid, which is, you know, a small percentage of the reason why we're here. I've been doing some editing, so it's like me, Inception. But yeah, so we've been editing all the videos that we've done since we got here. So that's been kind of cool, and then I just need to upload those when we move. And then after we finished editing, we literally just went full on study mode. Like, I've just wrote pages and pages of stuff. So originally I sat down because I was going to do like lesson plans, right? And then I started looking through this Instructor program manual, which is a ridiculous amount of pages. And the idea was that I would then read it and condense it. And although what I've written is getting smaller, there's a lot of information here, like so much. And this is just, honestly, most of it is completely outside skiing and snowboarding. It's more like the running of like the day-to-day, where you should be, what you should do, what time you need to be there, what type of lessons that like the guests can book, what you're expected to do on that lesson. When they finish a lesson, how do you sort of like a training card, so you can sort of like tick off if they've passed, not like pass or fail, but tick off if they completed that sort of level and are they ready to move on, or do they need more time, or to book the same lesson to, you know, sort of harness the skills required to move on. And there's, yeah, it's just like so much stuff, how much it costs. Just going through where it should be, like the guest levels. So you got like guests like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then like 1 and 2 is in Happy Valley, 3 is in Hummingbird, 4 is in the Ridge Chair, 5 is Bullet or Ridge, but you've got to have that confirmed by a supervisor. There's just like, there's so much stuff. It's good, and I like it. I just didn't think we were going to go back into study mode so quickly. But it's good, and I like the way it's set out. It's nice. I like it. But yeah, I won't sort of record. I don't know. Can I share it? I don't know. I won't record the screen just in case. I mean, you can probably see a bit of it, but it's too bright. You won't be able to read the thing. It's fine. But yeah, it's like just endless content. So yeah, so we've got dinner on. We're gonna have some. It's like minute steak, I think. I mean, I call it minute steak. I don't know what it's called here. Thin beef that you'd put in a sandwich. I also figured out how the heating works after being frozen for the last 2 days. So we're up to 21 degrees, which is about room temperature, instead of it being minus outside and set to like 15 in here. So that's kind of cool. But yeah, I think we're just going to eat. We're going to carry on studying. I don't know if we'll get to write lesson plans today now, because it's already like 6 p.m. Yeah, we'll see what happens. I don't want to like burn myself out, but at the same time, this is my life now. I chose this. I looked at my life. I looked at the money I was on, and I thought, you know what? Fuck that. We're going to move across the other side of the world and do a job that's only open maybe 6 months, a year at most, and just jump into it, really. So yeah, that's what we've decided, and this is part of the parcel of that. So whether it's training, whether it's whatever, I mean, in the email from Natasha, it did say if you're a new instructor, as in like a new sign-on for this year, you're not expected to know everything. Well, I will know everything by the end of this week. And if you watch this, you can test me, and it's all going to be good. But yeah, no, it's without jokes aside and stuff, it is something that I do need to learn. It is going to help out in terms of like, I guess the whole experience. Like, from a guest point of view, even if you're the best instructor in the world, so a guest books say level 1, level 2 lesson, and they have you, and you nail it, you do everything right, and then at the end of it, they're like, how was it? And you go, yeah, you passed, you're all good, you can go on to the next lesson, like, you're good. I guess it's better for them if they have guidance in terms of, I did it, what's next? I don't know, I'll go online. Will I go online? Can I really be bothered? Actually, no, I won't bother. Only like 40% of people rebook lessons. I think it's even less than that. I learned that on my ski level 1. Could just be skiers, I don't know, but I think it's more of a concierge guidance feel. If you're like, hey, at the end of the lesson, congratulations, today we did some like, heel side slips, done a bit of diagonal movement, we started on our toe side, that was perfect, and we're not quite there yet, so we might want to rebook this lesson. Or if they're like, you know what, I really enjoyed Happy Valley, but I don't want to go on the lifts yet, you go, well, okay, well, we can rebook you onto this, or you've got an option of like a private, and I could do an hour in Happy Valley for you. If we book like 3 hours, we'll do an hour in Happy Valley. Then we'll chill out for an hour, discuss the lift, do whatever, do a bit more sort of riding. Then we'll move on to the plaza and we'll do stuff there. So it's interesting. It gets my brain ticking, and I like when my brain ticks. But yeah, so lots to be done, lots to look at. We're only about a third of the way through the document. Luckily, I brought 2 of these notepads, 2 smaller ones, and a crap ton of pens. So I won't have to go to Kelowna to buy pens. I probably will by the end of the season, but we'll see what happens. Yeah, I will catch you guys in the next one. Remember to comment if you work for a ski school, or if you work for this ski school. By all means, let me know if you want to study buddy. That's kind of sad, but screw it. I'm here. I'll help you. You help me. It's all good. And then subscribe, because if you don't subscribe, then you won't know when the next videos comes out. You won't get that little notification, which is the same reason why you should click that little bell, because then you get the little notification. Go, oh, it's another video. I wonder what happened, and then you can just live your life happy, same as me. Yeah. Till then, catch you tomorrow and see what we get up to, and yeah. Peace out.